was almost 3 a.m. when Mira's phone buzzed. One new message from Mira. She blinked at the screen, confused. The profile picture was hers, the same smiling face she'd taken last summer at the lake. The message read, "Don't look behind you." Her heart thudded. She typed back, "Who is this?" A typing bubble appeared immediately. "You shouldn't have asked." The air in her apartment felt heavy. She turned on the lamp, checking the shadows in the corners. Her reflection in the dark TV screen seemed a half-second too slow. Then another message. "You're still doing it wrong. Watch me." The reflection smiled before she did. Her phone buzzed again. "There, that's better." Her reflection waved, and then it stepped forward, leaving her body sitting motionless on the couch, eyes wide, the glow of the phone still lighting her face.